little bag, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing a little reorganization video of my makeup. So Halloween just passed and my makeup drawers look a mess, so it's time to clean them. So let's just go ahead and get started. So in this drawer I have like blushes, bronzers, highlights, some skin products and then some brows. So I'm just organising that. This one isn't too messy, there's just some products in here that should not be in here. So I'm just organising that, and here is one of my favourite blushes from H&B Cosmetics. Honestly, you guys need to check them out, they're so affordable as well. This drawer is normally the one that gets messy very quickly, but it's actually not too bad. There's just some products in here that shouldn't be in here. So I'm just putting them in the right places, and yeah. Also, if anyone has any recommendations for some new foundations, let me know. I'm just binning this ordinary one because it is done. But yeah, I really want to try a new foundation, so let me know your suggestions down below. Now I'm just organising my powders. I actually didn't realise how many powders I have. Like, powders are an obsession of mine, low-key, same as blush. But yeah. I don't even know the purpose of why I'm showing this product, but I think it's because I've not used it. It's some sort of product from Revolution. But yeah, ignore my feet in this. I did not realise you could see my feet. I'm also just trying to readjust the camera here, so if you see a lot of changing angles, that's why I forgot to cut that out, but yeah. So I'm now just going to move on to the last drawer. I don't know why this drawer always gets messy, but I swear, like, after a week it is a mess again. If anyone's got any tips on how to keep the last drawer in a better condition, let me know. There's also a perfume in here and some brush cleaner, which is random, but yeah. So as you can see, I started on the last drawer showing some of my favourite lashes, and then I quickly realised that it would take forever on camera, so in a minute you'll see I just switched to a completely organised drawer, which is honestly so satisfying once you see it. But yeah, like, how satisfying is that? Oh my god. This drawer is honestly just a shambles from Halloween. So as you can see, there's loads of face paint palettes that really need a deep clean. So I'm just taking them out and then starting to reorganise this drawer. This is like mostly water activated eyeliners, lip liners, eyeliners, and like pigments and glitters and things. Pretty messy drawer, to be honest. So I'm now just going to show you guys some of my favourite lip liners, which is actually from Morphe. They're literally so cheap, it's unreal. I think they're literally like £4, but they last so long as well, so definitely recommend you trying them out. Here I'm also just showing you one of my favourite pigments. This is from Peaches and Cream in the shade Mermaids. It has a beautiful blue, like reflective kind of feel. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, I'm just organising all these little pigments and glitters and things. I never want to get rid of these because I always feel like I'll use them for something. So yeah, it's starting to get a bit crazy. Now I'm just going on to the eyeliners. This is honestly one of my favourite brand of eyeliners. They're called Matte Lashes, if you didn't see that there. But they are water activated. They're kind of like the Silver Beauty ones, but they're so pigmented. Michaela, if you guys know her on TikTok, she recently reviewed them and they're honestly some of my faves. I've been using them for forever. Also, does anyone remember these Makeup Geek loose pigment glitter things? They were literally the OG. I remember everybody raved about them. I don't think they actually sell them anymore, but yeah, I can't part with them. And as you can see, that is the drawer complete. How satisfying is that? We are now going into the drawer I hate the most, which is the palette drawer. I've honestly run out of space, so none of my palettes can fit in here anymore. So yeah, I'm just reorganising that. There's a lot of Makeup Revolution, Juvia's Place, which this palette, oh my god, it's so good for soft glam looks. Definitely a good one for clients as well, I feel like. So if you're a makeup artist, check this out. But yeah, and then Iconic Friends collection. Like, how cute is that? And then of course the OG from Jekyll and Hyde. This is also one of my favourites for like my soft glam nude looks. Yeah. She's looking a bit worse for wear, if I'm honest. I'm actually surprised how white she's stayed, considering the palette is white. Like, what? There's also a few palettes in here, like this Pixie one that I have not tried yet, so I'm making sure to take that out and put it at the top. Can we also talk about these Kat Von D palettes? Like, these were raved about so much back in the day. I just can't part with them, honestly. Like, I don't even use them anymore, but I just keep them in my collection because they were iconic. This little Makeup Revolution palette I'm getting rid of because it's so old. It did well for a while. So these are the new Makeup Revolution Halloween palettes that was recently launched. They just sent them out a few weeks ago, so I'm making sure to put them at the top so I can try them out. I'm just putting my Beauty Bay palettes in. They actually sent over a second one, so I put this in the drawer and then quickly realised that I should probably take it out of the box because the drawer probably would not shut. So you'll see me doing that in like a second. But yeah, this palette is honestly one of my favourites, so yeah, if you can't tell already, then you definitely need it. But yeah, how satisfying is that? So clean. So we are now moving on to the top of my vanity. As you can see, I have a face mask on here. I was having like a little bit of a self-care, doing a little clean and things, so just ignore that. If anyone's wondering, the mask is from Makeup Revolution. It is a pink clay mask, so yeah. So I'm just showing you guys this lipstick that I actually got from Makeup Revolution's Halloween collection. How cute is this packaging though? Like, you can take this off and wear it as a ring, and it has like a little adjuster thing. So I'm just showing you guys that. Yeah. I'm now just showing you guys the palettes that I have like on the top of my shelf. This is so I reach for them more often. These are mostly some new palettes and then ones that I don't reach too much. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it. I'm just going to go and wash these brushes. Like, how disgusting do these look? Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.